Are you searching for the best GPS fishing bait boat? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best GPS fishing bait boat in 2024, which save you time and money. Number 1, VWVIVIDWORLD RC Fishing Bait Boat. It is the most popular and best-selling product in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, VWVIVIDWORLD GPS RC Fishing Bait Boat. It is another most popular and best-selling product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3, GPS Fishing Bait Boat 40 points GPS Auto Return. Features: Auto Return. The remote control distance is within 500 meters. When the boat is in low battery, loses signal, or exceeds 500 meters, it will return automatically. Don't be afraid of lose. Cruise control. One click to turn on the cruise control system to keep the boat running at a constant speed in a straight line, saving time and effort and freeing your hands. Fixed point cruise. Beto/GPS dual satellites positioning system. 40 positioning points can be set, starting from the starting point, to achieve automatic cruise to the destination. Automatic route correction. Built-in automatic balance system, which can help to automatically correct the yaw and ensure that the boat keeps driving straight under the wind/waves and load. Strong power. Strong dual power motor system. Silent operation, will not disturb the fish. Upgrade high efficiency 3 blades propeller can provide strong power, quick cruise, long endurance, equipped with large capacity rechargeable battery, low power consumption and long endurance. Support low power alarm to remind users to recall the boat in time. Refuse to lose. Reliable quality, made of high quality ABS plastics, wear and impact resistant. Fully enclosed cabin with streamlined fuselage reduce the water resistance and make it more stable. Triple bin design, night light.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4, VWVIDWORLD GPS Fishing Bait Boat. Features: bait throwing, fixed speed cruise, LED night fishing light, turn light prompt, low battery prompt, low signal prompt, speed fine adjustment, GPS positioning, distance display, 40 positioning points, automatic cruise, low battery return, lost contact return /1.5 kg load. Number 5, 12V Intelligent Remote Control Nesting Boat. Bait boats with and without solenoid valves, electromagnetic decoupling device, are available. Bait boats without solenoid valves have no pulling function. High-speed nested boat 3-gear multifunction, speed 3 adjustable solenoid valve 1-click close. The remote control can be adjusted in 3 gears. Cicadas can be adjusted in 3 modes: first gear slow mode, suitable for nesting and hook delivery; second gear fast mode, suitable for nesting and hook delivery; third gear high speed mode, suitable for trawl. Germany 5 series motor, high speed, strong power, stable and low noise, high speed, large propeller, remote control net pulling, can pull 50 meters fishing net. First and second gear, into the pit decoupling. Third gear trawl, 18,000 mAh large battery. Battery life is further upgraded. First gear about 7 hours, second gear about 5 hours, third gear about 3 hours. The streamlined catamaran improves resistance to wind and waves, reduces drag and increases speed. 600 m remote control resistance to 6-level wind and waves. Single frequency, multiple people in the same field without interference. Night light positioning, accurately lock the ship position. The front and rear night lights can also be used normally at night. The bait vessel is equipped with a large capacity hopper and can support a maximum load of 2.5 kilograms. The nest boat is designed with a 12V super large capacity battery and super strong motor, and the power can reach 15 kilometers per hour in high speed mode.